Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. This is the eighth video, guys, which simply means I'm doing question 8 from the 2023 November paper 2 examination, which was written by the grade 11 learners in Gauteng. Please note that, guys, there are already 7 videos being uploaded, and there will be 2 videos after this one, which simply means that each question has its own video, and and please, guys, click the link on the description below. It will take you straight to the playlist with the full memorandum. You can download the question paper, answer the questions with me, and if there are things you're not sure about, please do write on the comment section. Yeah? And if you cannot find the question paper, guys, anywhere in the net, just take a screenshot and then answer the questions with me. Okay. The diagram below represents an open tank with a square base uh, and a height of 8 centimeters. The tank has a volume of 490 cubic centimeters. Okay, we are given the formula to calculate the volume. All of the time, guys, I don't care what kind of a diagram you have. If you want to calculate volume is always the area of the base multiplied by height. So in this case, they want us to determine the height h in terms of x, right? Remember that the volume is equal to area of the base. Our base is a square, right? So just say x squared, because the dimensions of the square are both x's, né? Multiplied by h. The volume is just 490. This is x squared h. So therefore h will be just equal to 490 all over x squared. All right, together. And then they want, second question, they want us to show that A, which is the external surface area of the tank, is given by is given by this formula. Surface area, guys, you just need to find the area of all of your surroundings, né? And since this is an open tank, we don't have to find the area of the top square over there. Are you together? So we will only find the area of the bottom of the base, which is the square, and these four rectangles which are surrounding the tank, which are on the surface of the tank rather. So the surface area rather, is equal to the area of the base. My base is a square, right? Plus the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to base multiplied by height. Are you together? But I have 4 of these rectangles, and all of them are equal. So I'll just say 4 times xh. So I'll have x squared plus 4x. Remember that I calculated h to be 490 over x squared, right? The only thing I need to do is to just remove the brackets. When I say 490 multiplied by 4, let me punch. I simply get 1960 all over x. Why is it over x? Because this x will cancel one of these. And then I'll be left with x instead of x squared at the denominator. So now I've proven that the surface area is given by this in centimeters square cubed. No, squared. Area is squared. So now I've shown that this is the surface area, and given that the tank is 10 centimeters high, excuse me, calculate the external surface area of the tank. Okay, they're just telling us that if h is equal to 10, what is the surface area? So if h is equal to 10, we must find x and then go and substitute the x value there. Remember that h is equal to this, so 10 is simply equal to 490 over x squared, right? So I'll simply have 10 x squared being equal to 490 divide both sides by 10. I'll simply get x squared is equal to 49. Check the square roots on both sides. X is equal to 7. Right? X is equal to 7. Let me confirm. 490 by 10. The square root of answer is x is equal to 7, right? So now I know that x is equal to 7. So therefore, the surface area will be equal to, the surface area will be just 7 squared plus 1960 divided by 7. What will I get? 7 squared plus 1960 over 7. I'll simply get 329 centimeters squared. The area is simply equals to 329 cm squared. That's how I could have tackled the 8th question, guys. Just stay tuned. The 9th video is on its way.